I'm Ashlyn and my husband is Zach, and we're traveling A to Z. I hope you enjoy our next video series as we take you to multiple locations around New Mexico. There's our hotel. We made it to the Strip and we found our hotel. We parked and we're gonna now go check in. Welcome to the Bellagio! We're currently making our way to the lobby so we could go check in and get our key for our room. In the lobby, as you check in, there's gorgeous ceiling art with 2,000 hand-blown glass flowers by the world-renowned artist Dale Chihuly. It is really impressive and pretty. We just got our key. Now we're gonna check into our room and we'll give you a little room tour.
This is fancy. Look at this. We have a view of the street.
Gorgeous view of this 15. The room has a nice king-size bed and a sitting area for 2 people. They have a mini bar. So that is their mini bar. So those are mini. Those are whole bottles of alcohol. Look at that. That's a pretty legit little mini bar. Zach got a kick out of this. The Love Kit. And melatonin vitamin C immune jetpack. Just so you're all the way prepared. The bathroom is really nice and has a separate shower, 2 sinks, and a standalone bathtub. Simple, nice room. We're gonna go check out the pool. The Bellagio has 5 pools resembling Mediterranean-style courtyards and large water fountains. There are private cabanas that you can rent. The cabana rental started around $400 a day. When we were visiting the Bellagio, a lot of the pools were empty. Like all the pools are closed because it's like 49 degrees and it's winter here. And there's one lifeguard bundled up. It's pretty funny. That is so cold! I think the pool's colder than the air temperature. They have 2 lifeguards. Hopefully no one drowns. Oh, it's hot. That's probably 85 degrees. It's almost hot tub-like. Maybe we should go swimming. There's pretty much no one at the pool. I don't know why. I mean, it's a beautiful day. Minus the fact it's cold. It's winter, so a lot of the pools are closed, but they have 2 big pools and then they have like 3 little pools spread out. It's kind of an interesting little concept. Instead of a huge pool like a lot of the resorts, it has little ones. I think it's neat how like every single casino has like shopping. It's like going into a different mall every single time. Expensive brand name mall. Prada, Gucci, Louis Vuitton. I'm not sure if you've ever been to a casino, but if you haven't and stayed here, it's like a maze. Their goal is to keep you gambling. We're lost. In the Bellagio, they have a conservatory and botanical gardens. This is free to visit. They have 5 different displays a year and change it by the seasons. They do spring, summer, fall, winter, and the Lunar New Year. The conservatory team changes out the designs and replants and repurposes much of the living plants and material as possible. As you walk around the display, they have different signs telling you about what you are seeing. Yes. Trying to find the fitness center. Check that out. The spa and gym are on the 2nd floor right by the conservatory. Fitness center, here we go. The Bellagio has a really large fitness center and has state-of-the-art equipment, including free weights, ellipticals, pelotons, rowers, treadmills, and free weights. They also offer different fitness classes and personal training. The Bellagio has 16 different places you could eat at and a famous French restaurant called Picasso. One thing that is a must-do is to check out the Fountains of the Bellagio. Fountain is on the Strip and is free for anyone to see. They typically have fountain shows with music about every 30 minutes in the afternoon, and then from 8 p.m. till midnight every 15 minutes. There are more than 1,000 fountains that sway in front of the hotel to the music and to lights. The display is over 1,000 feet wide and has water that squirts up to 460 feet into the air. So we left the Bellagio. We're now heading across, Arizona, Utah, heading towards New Mexico. Probably won't make it all the way to Albuquerque today because it's an 8-hour drive, and we don't like to drive that far, that long, that many hours in one day. So we'll see where we end up. We'll probably just pull over on the road and sleep later tonight. So what do you think about the Bellagio?
The Bellagio is super nice. It's an older hotel. Some of the stuff is a little bit dated, but it's in really good shape. It's really well maintained, and everybody there is just amazing. So nothing but good things to say. The Bellagio is awesome. Definitely need to go there again.
I hope you enjoyed the Bellagio tour. Please subscribe below to follow more of our adventures and to see our next video in New Mexico.